Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a quick update on Celestia. Wanted to do an update. I didn't cover it yesterday because right now the price, just purely technically speaking, is actually not moving that much. I mean, I know a lot of you are still in positions and are still trading it, so I will keep covering Celestia. Yeah, to just dive right into the analysis. I mean, if you look at the price right now, first of all, the EMAs, so those waving lines, are in the middle of the price and practically flat, which means the average price is one price, which means the price is consolidating. And given the EMAs, you would say the range right now is between 5.5, or at least the support level around 5.5, and then $6. Which I agree with partially. I think it's a little bit more like this, so that the main resistance level really is around 6.3, 6.4 instead of 6. But all right, that's a small difference. And apart from that, you also see that the ADX right now is at 25, but it's coming from a little bit of a lower place. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. At this moment, I would say Celestia is moving up in the range. So you can see it's making higher lows since practically Friday already. So that's been going on for some time. And you can, looking at the momentum that TIA has, you can also see a little bit of growth in the last 24 hours. But it's hard to really say anything because, like I said, I mean, so many indicators and so many things I'm looking at are telling me that the price is just flat, all right? So the main thing, and I think I also said this in the last video, is that right now I think Celestia, sure, on the short term, I expect bullish momentum because it's a range. It just hit the bottom, and usually after hitting the bottom of the range, it will get up to the top. So 6, 6.2, 6.4, 6.35, that area. All right, so that is what I do expect. But in general, and if you zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, I think we're waiting for a breakout. And that breakout will give us more information on the following course of Celestia. All right, so the main levels, like I've also said, I think I also said this yesterday, but the main levels really are that level right here around 5.5, which technically is a little bit lower, so 5.4, 5.6. Let's keep it like that. That's the main support, and then you have the main resistance, like I said, well, 6.15 and 6.35. All right, that is the situation. And Celestia, it looks likely it will get up towards 6.35 and 6.25 now. But in general, the market structure is neither bullish nor bearish if one of those levels is not broken. So that's the main thing to watch. Because if Celestia is able to break above 6.25 right here, 6.25, 6.35, it's a bit of a difficult level. If it breaks above that level and holds it as support, then Celestia is bullish. And I expect 7, I expect 7.5, potentially even higher. While on the other hand, which, to be fair, it looks a little bit more likely that Celestia will get a bearish breakout. And that has to do with the momentum change in the last 2 weeks. You can see the momentum is still relatively high, but right now it has dropped down significantly from 170 to 106, which is a decrease of, well, I'm not going to do the maths, but quite a big decrease. I think 35, 40%. So it looks to me more likely that Celestia will break down below 5.4, after which it will drop down towards 5, 4.8, and then the market structure is probably bearish. All right, so that looks most likely to me in the medium to long term. Short term, I think it's going to stay in this consolidation, which means I expect some bullish momentum up to the top. And technically, both of these are possible, and you should be prepared for both of them. But given the reasons I've stated in this video, I think a bearish breakout is a little bit more likely. So those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis on Celestia. If you do have any questions about this update or about Celestia in general, let me know down in the comments. And for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if you're interested in my premium or signals group, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.